Hey, J Bros pop man. We're back to the patio door job, and this is the deck going up. What we got is white vinyl privacy fence going up around this end, and that'll give protection from the neighbors and then protection from the street. So a little bit of privacy off of here. What we're gonna have is a 13.5 foot out deck, 18 feet long. I can kind of walk you through what's gonna take place on that here in a bit. But I got all the boards cut, marked out. I got the end ones here ready to go. And I'm just gonna pop inside here quick. I wanted to show you how the interior finishing on this this patio door went, if you followed in on that. But yeah, so basically, let me move this chair out of the way. So if you're thinking quick, simple, easy, nice price, this is one way to do it right here. A little decoration up here, trimmed out nice, and some trim right there. So that's kind of a super easy, quick way. And you can use any material you want to finish it off up there. And then here's kind of the jams right in here, just some white vinyl, nice and clean and stuff like that. So yeah, basically that is just a beauty of an install, and obviously the homeowner is insanely pleased. But yeah, so right now we're just gonna get going on this deck. Like I said, I got these cut and those marked out. I'll get a little bit further in so I can kind of tell you how I'm gonna do it and how easy this can be as well. I forgot to show you guys here, which my buddy said I should point out, is these built-in blinds. I do all these nowadays. And so basically you got the control down here, and see, there you go. There's the blinds coming down. Absolutely the best setup there. How sweet is that?
And then open them up too, you know.
Yep, and then just open it up, getting out of your way. And there's the tilt on it. So you can close them that way, close it that way, all via that control. So is that not sweet? And of course it just changes your whole dynamic in here, but anyway, I figured I'd just point that out. And this door here, was this about a $580. Yeah, we'll say $600 for this patio door here. Yeah, what a smoking deal. And it's all vinyl, so no rot, nothing like that. Good quality patio door. So we got this all prepped up, and basically what we did for ease, we took these blocks, leveled those out to where we wanted it. Same thing there, temp those out, and now we're just dropping the posts in. And what we got to do for the panels that we have, because there's going to be privacy fence on this, they're about, let's just say 6 feet tall. We'll cut these posts down later. And anyway, basically 68 inches in between. We had to go 68.5 for rough opening kind of. So sleeve, and there will be a sleeve in here. And then with this gap, about 3 of these small panels will slide in here, and we're going to do a J channel up against the building that will just kind of float in there, and that will look good there. So right now, as I mentioned, we got these posts in here. We're going to pop one more post in there, and you'll see the privacy fence will be just below the soffit, which is yeah, I think that was 7 feet from here to here, but that doesn't matter. So yeah, basically we are prepped up, ready to go. So post there, and then we already got these pads about where we needed to be. So 68 inches over, post, 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 and then this backside there will be no paneling here. This will just be all one step to get off the deck. And the reason why I went this height is, if you see my flashing over there where that black is, I wanted that deck board to be just below that black flashing. So we're sitting basically perfect, like 1/4 inch below that black flashing. So anyway, yeah, so basically what we ended up doing, if you're trying to do this yourself, this is basically our ground zero starting point, and we're basically leveling everything to get the right height around here. But this is going to turn out pretty sweet. We probably got, I don't know, 2 hours into this, maybe. But yeah, we'll pop back in here and show you how it's coming along. But so far, easy. Okay, here we are back about 3 hours later. We're just laying deck boards out here. As you can see, post. We got down the middle here, As you can see, there's the blocking all the way. Post. We're gonna get set up to do skirting, and all we're doing for skirting is just running the deck boards up and down and screwing them to the operation. But that's pretty much what we're looking at right now. So we probably got total 6 hours in, maybe 5. But yeah, probably another, honestly, the most time consuming project will be screwing the deck boards down. But yeah, we're gonna get these laid out and I'll jump back in. Just like that, the deck is almost done. Just some privacy panels so we can get some privacy around here. But pretty simple, pretty easy. All right, this is where we're leaving it. We started in with the decking for the skirting. As if you've seen any of my decks before, that's kind of what we end up doing. So it's just decking cut down, slotted in. That one there is just that block that should get pushed out, but whatever, it's not right there now. And then same thing will be wrapped all the way around here. Yeah, I think it turned out overall pretty good. And just to give you a side example of what the privacy panels look like, it'll be like that, and right there, I think that turns out pretty good. So that's done, and then obviously in between each here, so nobody, like I mentioned, the neighbors have their privacy, and then from the road, which is this side, will have their privacy as well. So, and of course you just need to get second shift over here to start screwing these deck boards down, because I'm not going to do that. That's below or above my pay grade, depending on how you want to view it. But yeah, pretty much good there. And then all that's going to be off of here, if I didn't already explain, is we'll create one step coming off of here, probably about 3 deck boards wide is what we were talking. So it's not kind of just a drop off, kind of gradual. So I think that's what's going to happen here. But you know, as you can see, you know, obviously, like I said, we had just popped in that patio door, and not only functionality, this gives you a whole lot more privacy, outside functional work. So yeah, I think we're overall pleased. Yeah, I think if I was thinking material wise, I think there was about $1,000 in material on the deck, and then I think that patio door, if I didn't mention, it was like $600. So really, if you end up doing something yourself, it's not that big of a deal for price. It's just you want to put in the time, and really, if you can find somebody that's halfway skilled to steer you in the right direction, you know, like I said, we did the bulk of this in about 6 hours. And honestly, there's probably another 4 or 5 hours to go to screw up the panels and, you know, cut the rest of the skirting and then screwing the rest of the deck boards down. But that's where we're at. That's where pretty much I'm gonna leave it. My buddy's gonna take it from here and do his panels, and I'll supervise maybe from the deck. But yeah, anyway, please like, subscribe, comment down below. J Bros out.